Mount Etna once again showed its most terrifying face. In its latest eruption, Europe's highest and most active volcano spewed incandescent lava that cascaded down its slopes, creating an apocalyptic scene that gripped the surrounding population. The normally dark night sky turned a fiery red, illuminated by the seemingly unstoppable glow of the lava. Loud explosions rang out repeatedly from within the volcano, accompanied by plumes of volcanic ash rising high into the air. Thick columns of smoke obscured the sky over eastern Sicily, drastically reducing visibility. A pungent, sulfuric odor enveloped the villages surrounding Etna, forcing many residents to lock themselves indoors or prepare to evacuate if the situation worsened. This lava flow was described as more aggressive than previous eruptions. The river of hot fire moved slowly but steadily, incinerating vegetation along the slopes and leaving a trail of smoky, black destruction. The rumbling sound of rocks cracking from the extreme heat sounded like a long, deep roar from the earth, adding to the impression that Etna was not yet finished venting its wrath. Experts are closely monitoring the volcano's activity as increasing magma pressure within Etna signals the potential for further eruptions. New fissures have reportedly appeared in several locations, allowing lava and toxic gases to escape without warning. This situation has made things even more uncertain and dangerous, especially for settlements located along the path of the lava flow. Airports and flights in the surrounding area have also been affected by volcanic ashfall. Fine. Silent ash covers roads, rooftops, and vehicles, creating an eerie silence. In the darkness of the night, flashes of light from continuous small eruptions appear like lightning from underground. Mount Etna is known for never truly sleeping, but its latest eruption is a stark reminder of the uncontrollable power of nature. Beneath the beauty of the glowing lava flows lies a deadly threat that could escalate into a major disaster in a matter of hours. The people of Sicily can now only hope that Mount Etna will soon subside. However, as long as the magma continues to churn beneath the surface, the fear of a larger eruption continues to haunt. The mountain stands majestic and silent, as if waiting for the right moment to unleash its fury on the world again. In recent months, thousands of tourists have reportedly flocked to the Etna area daily to witness spectacular eruptions, lava flows, and volcanic gas and ash phenomena. These phenomena, while visually stunning, also pose real dangers. As volcanic activity increases, civilians and tourists often find themselves too close to the danger zone without adequate protection or understanding the risks of detecting unexpected changes in the eruption or the flow of hot material. According to reports from civil protection authorities and volcano observers, the area around the eruption point is always dynamic and can change suddenly. Threats such as pyroclastic flows, a mixture of hot gas, ash, and rock that can move very quickly, cannot be predicted with certainty and can cause fatal injuries to anyone who gets too close. Furthermore, emergency protection officials in Sicily report that the high number of visitors who do not follow safety instructions hinders access to emergency services. Narrow streets clogged with tourist vehicles, haphazard parking, and crowds of visitors near the danger zone have made it difficult for rescue teams to reach those in need. Mount Etna remains a remarkable tourist attraction, but a surge in visits without proper controls has the potential to turn this attraction into a danger zone. Experts warn that the allure of the natural landscape must be balanced with an awareness of the risks and a commitment to safety regulations. The sustainability of Etna tourism depends on the ability of authorities and tourists to work together to protect lives and ensure a positive experience for all.